we're going to go through the process of logging onto and navigating the Detroit website. We have one website we have to go through before we can get to Detroit, and that is going to be Access Freightliner. Once into Access Freightliner, we want to log on to logon screen and enter the username and password. Those are case sensitive. Okay, now we're logged in. Go to the left of the screen to DDCSN. I'm going to click on that. That is going to take us into Detroit's home page. We want to go to Literature. Scroll down to Power Service Literature. Click on it. Now it's going to bring us in where it's going to have some frequently asked questions. I'm going to click on Power Service Literature again. And it's going to bring us to the home page. Now to the left, we have several different areas here. We have the DD platform, which covers the DD15 and the DD13. The MBE platform, which covers the Mercedes MBE 900 and 4000 engines. Then we have a Series 40, 50, 55, and 60 for Detroit, Series 60s. So let's click on the Series 60. It's going to bring up several different engines here to the left. The EPA 04 covers the engines built in 04 to meet EPA emissions. EPA 07, same way. So let's go by our electronics. We have different stages of DDEC here also. Let's go with an EPA 04 Series 60 workshop. Click on that. That's going to bring up the workshop manual here to the left. So we're looking for engine specifications. Expand the engines. And let's look for, under cylinder head, valve springs, guide, and inserts. And this will walk us through different types of valves. It'll start bringing us through to different specifications needed for measurement of those valves. Outside diameter of valve stems. Tools needed for valve guide removal. How to properly install a valve seat. Measuring valve head recess depth or valve recession. and the min and max for valve reception measurements. Okay, so let's go back. Let's close this. Let's go into cooling system. Thermostat. And it will have a breakdown of the thermostat and all of the parts needed. It also gives you a beginning opening temperature range for that thermostat. Lastly, let's go into engine tune-up. Valve lash and injector height. It has a breakdown of the rocker arms, what they are, and the injector. And it will give you the specifications needed by the engine number of what tool that you'll need to set those injectors. Scroll down further. It will tell you what needs to be set and when. It'll also tell you the feeler gauge needed to adjust your intake valves. And this concludes how to log on to and to navigate Detroit website.